Good morning, dear students. Today we will start with the lesson number 1 of value education, that is devotion. What the word devotion means. Children, devotion means to have a complete faith, to have a complete trust in God. God is present everywhere. He is always ready to listen to you. As we all know that God is present everywhere and He always listen to our prayer. Sometimes when we are in trouble, we feel that God is not listening to us. But it is not so. He always answers our prayer. He always listens to us. You can pray to Him at any place and at any time. Children, here the word Him is used for God. We can pray to God at any place and at any time. Pray to Him for driving away all evil thoughts from your mind. We should pray to God to drive away all the evil thoughts from our mind. Pray to Him to help you get rid of your anger. We should pray to God so that we can get rid of our anger. Pray to Him for things that make your life better and happier. We should pray to God for the things that can make our life better and more happier. So, to make you more clear and to make you better understand this, here we will do a story. A boy named Gopal lived near a forest. So, a boy named Gopal, he lived near a forest. One day, Gopal was traveling through the forest. Suddenly, it started raining heavily with thunder and lightning. So, one day he was traveling through the forest and suddenly it started raining. Gopal took shelter under a big tree. So, he took a shelter under a tree. Some time later, he heard a faint voice. Children, faint means weak. So, after some time, he heard a very weak voice. Gopal, Gopal, where are you? So, what he heard? Gopal, Gopal, where are you? Gopal was not sure whether he had actually heard someone calling, as the voice was very weak. That's why Gopal was not sure whether he had actually heard his name or not. After all, it was amidst the forest. After all, he was in between the forest. He tried to hear again. Gopal tried to hear the voice again. Again he heard the same sound, Gopal, Gopal. And again Gopal heard the same sound, Gopal, Gopal. Gopal ran in the direction of the voice. He had just gone a short distance away from the tree when lightning struck the tree. So Gopal, he ran in the direction of the voice. And he had just gone a short distance away from the tree when lightning struck the tree. The tree fell down with a crash, and the tree, it fell down with a crash. Children, crash means when something breaks, it produces a loud noise. Here, when the tree fell down, it makes a loud noise. So, the tree fell down with a crash. Oh God, if I had remained under it, I would have died, he thought. Gopal thought that if I had remained under the tree for some more time, I would have died. He thanked God and walked towards the voice, wondering who was calling him. Then he thanked God for saving his life and walked towards the voice. And he was surprised that who was calling his name Gopal, Gopal in that forest. After walking for some time, he saw an old woman standing at the door of a house. And after walking for some time, he saw that an old lady was standing at the door of a house. Did you call me? Asked Gopal. Gopal asked the old lady, did you call me? The old woman said, who are you and why would I call you? The old woman said, who are you? I don't know you. And why would I call you? I am Gopal. I heard you calling my name, said Gopal. Gopal said, my name is Gopal and I heard you that you were calling my name. Oh, I see. The old lady said, Actually, I live here alone. The old woman said, actually, I live in this forest all alone. And I get scared. Scared means frightened. And I get scared when there is a storm and lightning. So I was calling Lord Gopal to protect me and keep me safe. That's why I was calling Lord Gopal to protect me and keep me safe. It must be him. Children, here the word him is used for God. It must be him who made me call out so loudly that it reached you. So it must be God who made me call out your name, Gopal, so loudly that it reached to you. He wanted to save your life too. God wanted to save not only my life but your life too. So, children, we should always have complete faith and trust in God. So, I hope that the chapter is clear to you. At the end of the video, I have given the answers of all the exercises. These answers of all the exercises you have to write down in the value education copy and read the chapter thoroughly. Till then, goodbye.